Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will show how to fix support.apple.com/iPhone/restore screen on iPhone. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. Yes, sometimes a force restart can help to solve the iOS system error, so you can have a try. For iPhone 6s or earlier iPhone models, press and hold the home button and power buttons together. Then release the buttons when you see the Apple logo on the screen. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the power button. Keep holding until the Apple logo shows up. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Method 2. Reinstall iOS via iTunes. Connect iPhone to your computer and then launch iTunes. A prompt pops out. Click Update to reinstall iOS on your iPhone. Click Update again. Then iTunes begins downloading the software update and installing it on the iPhone. You should keep the iPhone connected during this process. Well, the iPhone has been updated, and your iPhone restarts normally. Method 3. Get out of iPhone restore screen with Cocosenor iOS Repair Tuner. Head to cocosenor.com and find iOS Repair Tuner product page. Click to download the software and install it on your computer. Then, make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Run iOS Repair Tuner on your computer. OK, choose Standard Mode to proceed. Hit on the Start button. And connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Next. Click Download to download the firmware package online. OK, now click the Repair button to repair your iPhone. The software shows repair successfully message on the interface. At the same time, your iPhone restarts normally. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.